The other school of thought in this, Sandras, is that people need to be bold. Yeah. Sometimes there's something innocent about people who are bold, but they're bold in the right way. They're smart, they're intelligent, they are legitimately credible. They, literally, the minute you meet them, that first 5 minutes, you already know there's something special about this person. So never take away from yourself that opportunity to be bold. And this is why, I'm sure in your program, you do this. You teach the elevator pitch. The reason why you have an elevator pitch is because, yes, you can bump into somebody and literally pitch them. I mean, I've pitched people in a retail store, in the aisle. So again, from one side of the aisle, pushing a trolley to the other side of the aisle while the person was shopping. And I'm pitching them my concept. Okay? And this is what elevator pitch is about. I mean, every time, whenever I go to Johannesburg and I visit one of the big banks, and I happen to come into the lift with one of the senior executives that I immediately recognize from LinkedIn, I'm there between that ground floor to wherever that executive is going. I'm thinking of the quickest ways to kind of get this person to sort of say, Vu, it was very nice to meet you. Here's my business card. Yeah. Call me. You and I need to have half an hour. And I've been very fortunate in my life that I've had these kind of opportunities. So, I mean, I remember, meeting Stephen Kossoff, who's the former CEO of Investec. We were invited for a 10-minute coffee. You know how it goes with PAs, gatekeepers. And that 10-minute coffee turned into a 3-hour meeting because I had read somewhere that Stephen is very passionate about Mandela. So I started talking about all my Mandela stories. I found every Mandela story. I related Mandela stories from where I come from. So this guy was like, and in fact, his PA kept coming in and to say, hey, your next meeting. And the guy's like, no, I'm good. We're good here. In fact, just bring us some more. Just bring us some drinks. So my life has been very fortunate in this, that I've understood these things. I've understood that the minute you have that gift to be able to, really throw it out there and then connect with someone who's going to potentially affect something, it goes well.